Can burning of coal in Asia lead to drought in Asia or elsewhere in the world? Well, the carbon dioxide emissions from coal might cause some parts of the world to get drier. Sulfur dioxide emissions might also play a role. Sulfur dioxide forms sulfate aerosol, tiny particles that contribute to air pollution. As well as being bad for human health, these aerosol particles can scatter incoming sunlight and can impact clouds. They play an important role in the climate system. In this study, we used the state-of-the-art global climate model to investigate two different scenarios. RCP 4.5, a commonly used reference scenario, and an experimental scenario with increased aerosol emissions over Asia, representing an increase in burning of coal. We've ignored carbon dioxide, choosing instead to focus on the effects of aerosols and aerosol precursors such as sulfur dioxide. We found that increased aerosol emissions over Asia may lead to widespread cooling of the Northern Hemisphere and a southward shift in tropical rainfall. The aerosol emissions may lead to a local suppression of rainfall in Asia. In particular, the Asian summer monsoons may be suppressed. Remote effects are also possible, such as a suppression of the West African summer monsoon and an enhancement of the Australian summer monsoon. For further details, please check out the Journal of Climate paper, Transient Climate Impacts for Scenarios of Aerosol Emissions from Asia, a Story of Coal versus Gas. Thank you for listening.